I think this is one of the most like spacious Airbnbs that we have stayed. And as we enter, please, we have this seating area along with a dining table situation, which is not a very regular looking dining table. As you all can see, there are a lot of stuff. Can you please zoom in? So these are the expensive habits the guy has. Anyways, let me show you the kitchen. Of course, it has all the basic amenities such as the gas and खूप किती किती असा no like yeah, Prachi has seen it, and then we have this fridge. So it's a basic kitchen, but love it. We have this TV unit area. Maybe we are going to watch some TV or some shows later on. We also have another bathroom. Let's go upstairs. It's a 2 BHK villa. Another thing about the villa is that when I was like looking out for good places, this was the only like good villa that was in our budget. And when I say in my budget, the rest of them were like really expensive, going about more than like 10,000, then also 20,000. So yeah, I think finding this one was like a sweet spot. So this is the room one. It's a small room but has all the basic things, bed and everything is super clean also. Then you have this a little balcony sort of a situation, which is not technically a balcony, but yeah, you get the view. And then there is a full like dressing mirror situation happening here, and also it has a TV. Then you have the wardrobe area. So we also have the washroom. It's pretty clean. It's super spacious. And I mean, we can have in 3,500. I think it's a very good like deal that we got. So this is the second room that I'm going to show you all. Come with me. So it's pretty much the same actually. It has the same like bed and all the bed sheet and wardrobe, then the mirror and also the bathroom. But the highlight of this room is obviously this, the view. Of course, we live for the view, and just come along and see the mountain view. There's fog all around, and to be really honest, these things I had not like expected from like Panchgani. I don't know for what reason. I was just like underestimating the weather also. But the weather is so damn romantic. It is very cozy, and we are here for today and then tomorrow. And today we are just going to rest because it's been a hectic day, of course.